For Copenhagen, it's the whole thing about, and unfortunately there's not enough international architects here, but the international kind of atmosphere and this building up is that there was a strong economic growth here. And then the city also changed from just, let's say, being the place you went to work and then went to the suburbs to really live here. And then this plan of this area was made by Kurek. If you come a weekend day, you will have 2,000 or 3,000 people swimming. People are moving from that area to here because it's unbearable to live there because of so many people. And that's why there's no beach here. There was this strong wish to bring people to the water, which was again a political thing. 20 years ago, if you were swimming in the harbor, it was the direct way to the hospital because it was so polluted. But there was a decision taken politically saying we will be able to swim in our harbor, and it took 7 years to clean it. And after that, you've been able to swim. And this is our most popular asset in Denmark at the moment.
My name is Louis Becker. I'm the design principal of Henning Larsen Architects Copenhagen, and this is the Architects series.